Hi everyone, and welcome back to Wellnessity today. We're going to talk about a natural and super effective hair treatment you can try at home. The yogurt and egg hair mask. This mask is packed with nutrients that can make your hair softer, shinier, and stronger. Let's dive into why it works so well and how you can make it at home. Promotes hair growth. Yogurt is full of proteins and probiotics that nourish your scalp, creating an ideal environment for hair growth. Eggs, especially the yolk, contain biotin and essential protein that strengthen hair roots, making them less prone to breakage. Imagine your hair as a plant. Just like a plant needs a rich, nutrient-filled soil to grow well, your hair needs a balanced scalp. Environment. The yogurt in this mask nourishes your scalp, while the egg supplies the building blocks for growth. Deeply conditions the hair. The fats in yogurt act as a natural moisturizer, softening your hair from root to tip. Eggs add even more hydration, especially if you have dry or frizzy hair, giving it that beautiful, silky shine. Think of this mask as a tall glass of water for your hair. Just as your body needs hydration, your hair thrives with moisture, and this mask delivers it naturally, reduces dandruff, and soothes the scalp. Yogurt has antifungal properties that help reduce dandruff and calm any irritation on your scalp. Eggs, meanwhile, provide nutrients that strengthen your scalp's natural barrier. If you struggle with a flaky scalp, applying this mask is like giving it a soothing spa treatment that also targets the root of the issue, literally. Boosts hair shine and texture. Egg whites contain enzymes that remove excess oils, giving hair a glossy, smooth look. Combined with yogurt, it brings a nice bounce and shine to your hair, enhancing its natural texture. Just like polishing a piece of wood to bring out its natural grain, this mask highlights the beauty of your natural hair by adding a healthy shine. Alright, now that we know the benefits, let's move on to making the mask. This is super easy to make. Ingredients: 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Crack the egg into a bowl and whisk it until smooth. Add the yogurt and mix it well until it forms a consistent paste. And that's it, your mask is ready to go. Tip: if you have dry hair, use the whole egg, but if you have oily hair, just use the egg white to avoid excess oil. Step 1. Dampen your hair. Make sure your hair is slightly damp for better absorption. Step 2. Apply the mask. Start applying the mask from your scalp, massaging gently in circular motions. Work it down to the tips of your hair to make sure every strand gets some love. Step 3. Leave it on. Let the mask sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Feel free to wrap your hair in a towel or shower cap for less mess. Step 4. Rinse it out. Rinse thoroughly with cool or lukewarm water. Then shampoo and condition as usual. And that's it. Your hair will feel softer, look shinier, and become stronger with each application. Try this once a week for the best results. Remember, consistency is key with natural remedies. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might want to try this easy, natural hair mask. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.